going on, Nation? Happy Wednesday. Real quick announcement. I don't know if you guys heard from the good old Doug Ducey himself. All gyms will be open. Classes will be really limited. So I think it's like 3 to 5, but he just announced it today. So we'll see you all tomorrow for your Metcon. Other than that, today's workout, right? It's a 25-minute cap. There's just some running. It's just 50 run, 50 run, 50 run. So you'll finish with the run. The runs, it's a 3-minute run. So it'll be a minute 30 out, a minute 30 back. You should get, if you want like a distance, you should be anywhere from like 600 to 800 is very fast, but anywhere from that 600 to 800 meters on your run. Then we have 50 med ball squats, and you're gonna go out and run again. 50 dumbbell push presses, run. 50 med ball sit-ups, finish with your run. Now the med ball squats, you're just gonna hold it however. Try not to take the easy way out and just put it on your shoulder. Right, it'll be a little harder to hold it in that front rack position. You're just gonna squat, and that's it. Stand up, boom. Once you've done that 50th rep, you go for your run. When you come back, if you have a dumbbell, these are single arms, so it's 25, all 25 on one arm before you switch. Preferably heavy. It's only 25, so if you have a 50 for the men, 50-ish for the men, that would be great. Anything heavier is better. And 35 for the ladies. And then you run again. Then you have 50 med ball sit-ups. Right, just a real quick recap on those med ball sit-ups. Not to brag or anything, but Coach Bernie's using this 30 pounder.
All we got left.
Yeah, it's all we have left. So thanks for taking everything. So you can reach back, touch forward. That's one. This should take you a fat chunk amount of time. Right, you already have, what, 3, 6, 9, 12 minutes of running, which gives you another 13 minutes of pretty much work. And that's about it. Like I said, if you cannot run, because you got kids at home or whatever, just pick a distance in your house, whether it's in your hallway or your driveway, backyard, and just do shuttle sprints. Just run there, turn around, run back, touch, run there, run back, run there, run back, over and over for 3 minutes. Yeah, that's about it. Other than that, we're gonna get warm. So we have this hypoxic warm up. It's 4 rounds, and this is all about breathing. We're trying to tune in that diaphragm with your breathing, or just help warm it up. So it's 4 rounds. It's gonna be 60 seconds of just single unders. I don't care how fast. I'm not really concerned about how fast you go, or jumping jacks. It's just 60 seconds, nasal breathing only. So mouth closed, breathe in through your nose, out through your nose, unless you're like sick or you got allergies and it's hard to breathe. Figure it out. And then you got 3 full breaths, right? Your 3 full breaths, you're focusing on taking a deep breath in and letting all that out. There's some science behind it, but we won't get too much into it. So really focus on taking that deep breath in, dump it all out, 3 breaths, and then we're going 10 seconds as fast as you can, max burpees. So it'll be like a little transition period, and then we'll go again. Each round, we're just gonna add intensity. So the first round, nice and easy. Second round, we'll pick it up. Third round, fast. Fourth round, all out sprint. And then we'll move on to this general warm-up. So we just got some butt kickers. Coach Bernie's gonna demo these real quick. It's gonna be 20 seconds each, those butt kickers, right? You're pulling those heels to your butt, trying to keep your knees facing the floor. You don't wanna have your legs out too far. From here, we go into just some nice, easy high knees, right? All in place. Try and stay light on those feet, and then some alternating leg swings for 20 seconds. Opposite hand, opposite leg, those good old heel sweepers. This one's more for the hamstrings, so remember to plant the heel. Really reach, right? Get that stretch in there. And then we're going to that figure 4 hold. Try not to hold your ankle, right? Grab onto the shin, pull up. We'll hold it 20 seconds each side. After that, we'll hit this Metcon prep. It's 3 rounds, 20-second fast run. So 10-second one way, turn around, come back. 5 push-ups to a down dog. Right, spend some time in that down dog position. We got, 50 presses essentially. So open up those shoulders, and then from there, 20 seconds of hollow rocks. And that's it. Other than that, that's your workout for this Wednesday. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you guys tomorrow.